Here at DevToid, we track the newest and trending assets on the Unity Asset Store. In no particular order, here's the latest and greatest from Asset Store publishers. Number 8. Polygon Apocalypse Pack. Synty Studios is one of the most well-known publishers on the Unity Asset Store. Our entire library is of high-quality work, with this pack being no exception. A great starting point for a survival project or in addition to your existing low-poly style game. Number 7. World Maps Pro Bundle 2. Another well-known publisher has just released this asset bundle that combines World Political Map Globe Edition 2, World Political Map 2D Edition 2, World Map Strategy Kit 2, and World Flags and Weather Symbols. The perfect bundle if you're making any sort of strategy game using the real-world map. Number 6. Modular Fantasy Village. A newcomer to the Asset Store, but with high-quality work like this, we hope they stick around. In artistic hand-painted poly style, this asset reminds us of that classic Warcraft graphics. Very suiting for an RTS, tower defense, or even an RPG from a top-down perspective. Number 5. Hand-painted Fantasy Mega Bundle. On the topic of hand-painted graphics, we should discuss this mega pack of landscapes, props, and characters. Combining many of their previous popular assets, this truly is a mega pack of essentials. Number 4. Modular Medieval Village. Another juggernaut of the Asset Store, manufacturer K4 has produced this high-quality asset. These village buildings are highly customizable and detailed to look incredible up close. Perfect for RPGs or any open-world game using the first-person perspective. Number 3. Skills Icons Volume 2. Adding to an impressive collection of icons, this asset unlocks even more options for skills, spells, and abilities. Number 2. Super Confetti FX. Let's get a fun one on the list. Created by the veteran particle specialist Arachnor FX. CPU efficient and colorfully eye-catching. Unlocks, rewards, discovery effects, victory screens. Your imagination is the only limit on possible uses. Number 1. Mega Towers Pack. Last but not least, this asset packs a huge amount of tower defense gameplay into one package. Beautifully rendered cartoon-like polygraphics and full personality makes for a timeless style. A variety of animated towers and characters, multiple tile sets, buildings, and props create a solid tower defense project. Visit DevToid.com for the 3 bonus October assets and to learn how you can leverage Unity assets to streamline your projects. Happy developing, and thanks for watching.